Mary, why don't you take us through the account overview screen for us?
Totally, yeah. This is, give me just 1 second. All right. Totally. Yeah. This is such a handy spot to get a quick glimpse at kind of what's going on with the account. Who are they? What work you've done with them. So right here, just at the top, we can see the account name, the site address, as well as the account color coding, see where it is regionally compared to you. And this is color coded as well. So all of your residential accounts will have a blue band right here. If it's commercial, it will be green. Right down here, we can see the account type as well as if there's a balance on the account. And then under that, we see our account memo right away. So right when you hop in, you can see any notes that you've made on this account, such as awesome client or hard of hearing or anything that you'll want to see right away when you're about to give them a call or looking them up. So then right along the left-hand side here, we can see their contact information, as well as just general information about, the last time you worked with them, how much that invoice was, when they were added into the system, their lead source as well, and we can see our custom fields here as well. So again, right away, you can see that information that you've attached with the account. Then on the right-hand side here, we can look at all of the orders that are currently active on the account, so unpaid invoices, open work orders and estimates, as well as you can see your open activities, any contracts you have set up with them, and any reoccurring appointments. There's a lot that you can do right from here as well. You can record payments, you can schedule orders, you can create new activities or new orders right from here or mark them as complete if needed. So this is just a super handy spot to get a quick look at everything that's going on and kind of quickly do work on an account.
Yeah, and there's another cool little trick too is on the right-hand side, that little kind of collapsible window, we have kind of the miniature version of the dashboard. So if you navigate away, you can still have that. But if you open that back up and you toggle it to the news feed, you not only have, your kind of long-term information about the customer there, you have up to the second, essentially, what's been going on. So if you've got, if someone in your office has been typing up some notes, made some changes, you know exactly what's happening in there. So there's multiple purposes for being in here, and you have all of that at a snap glance. So
yeah, and that news feed, that is your customer lifecycle. Like, it's every note, every transaction, every order, every payment, every appointment. And so it gives you a really 1,000-foot view of the client and what they're all about. This screen allows you to do almost anything and know instantly, like, do they have a balance? Can I send them an email that has a payment link in it? Like, everything that we just talked about, all those life cycle steps, they can be accomplished from the screen.